What's going on, guys? It's your boy Rumblick. It's back again with another video. So I got an unboxing for you guys. Just got a package in the mail, so let's go ahead and open it so I can show you what it is. Got my trusty knife here. Let's go ahead and open this up. Now I know this is from Erdemo. Yeah, I know I've been rocking with them for a little over a year. So they just dropped a new collection. I think it's called the second chapter or something like that. And I'm excited to show you guys what fragrance I got. So let's go ahead and open this joint. Bubble wrap. Let's go ahead and rip this off right now. All right, so here we go. This is the new collection, and this one is called Lulu. Yes, I was excited about this when I saw the notes, and I was like, yo, I need this. So they were kind enough to send me this fragrance for a review. I'm gonna give you my first impressions right now, like I do, and then we're gonna do a full review on this. I just need a few days with it. Let's open it up. So they got a tassel on the side. Their whole theme is like books, hardcover novels. So here you go. Opens up like this, and you see the seam. Oh, this is different. So the seam here is more texture like leather, if you can see that. The other one was gold, but yeah. This is the front. Here's the back. I love the designs of those symbols on the fragrance bottle. I don't know what it means, but it's still cool. So let's open this up. You guys are gonna see it before I do. It's nice. Cool, right? So the bottle lays in this nice, almost this suede or velvet like inlay. So in the bottle, ooh, the bottle is nice. Okay, the bottle is like a burnt orange or maybe rust color, but that's nice. I love that. Look at how you see the front is clear. Obviously the front is clear. You can see the juice, but the back and the sides are painted. That's, I'm gonna say, rust color, but I really do like that. So let's go ahead and spray this on hand. First impressions right now, and then I'll tell you the notes. I'm getting some sweet fruits. Ooh, that's nice. Some green textures, like a cacao or roasted chocolate or something like that. But whew, that first is nice. There's a nice citrusy opening. It's really sweet, almost like bread and like roasted cocoa. I don't know. Let's go check out the notes though while we're here, because that's nice. It's I want to know what that cocoa smell is. Okay, so the opening, citrusy, we have bergamot, pear, red apple. Okay, in the mid we have nuts, apricot, almond blossom. In the base we have coffee. That's what I got. Sandalwood and amber. So that's that roasted, that cocoa smell is the coffee beans, like a roasted coffee bean. But I'm definitely getting the pear now. Yes, I'm liking this. This is nice. This is really nice. But it's also something woody here. What's in here that's woody? Maybe the nuts? Pause. But it's nice. I really like this. This is good. I can't wait to review this for you guys. Go check out the whole new line from Erdemo, their second chapter collection. Hopefully I get more fragrances to review. They all have these unique different colors compared to the first one. All right, guys, that's it. Until next time, like I always say, it's okay if you want to smell like Rome. I'll check you guys out in the next video. God bless, in Jesus' name. Peace.